Look at these beautiful flowers I just purchased. We're going to use these small flowers in this lovely vessel. There's 7 little vases connected on a tray. They're all different shapes. I love this little container because you can do a really beautiful arrangement in here without using a lot of flowers. So I picked a lot of small flowers in here, almost like a wildflower look, and we're just going to arrange them artfully in these little containers. Now this is part of a series of videos I'm doing where we're not going to use a lot of flowers, but we're going to make interesting arrangements in interesting containers. So I have some feverfew here, some blue or purple veronica, white veronica, rice flower, this lavender blue thistle, and white spray roses. Let's get started. Okay, so I picked these materials because I wanted sort of almost like a wildflower, very natural looking arrangement in this vase. And the openings of these vases are pretty small, so we want to make sure we're not using like very thick, fleshy stems. So I'm going to start with the spray roses here. I'm going to cut it and put it in this right here. There's no rhyme or reason. I'm just going to do what I think looks cute. And we're just going to make a variety of little groupings in these little vases. I want a few of these rice flowers. This is also a great container for when you want to feature individual stems of things. Like in the summertime when my rose garden is in bloom, sometimes you don't have a lot of flowers, but there are a few really beautiful ones where you want to showcase different roses. You can put them in here, just like a single stem in each with some accent flowers. I'm going to put a little thistle here and maybe a blue veronica. Here. Okay. I love feverfew because they've got that cute little wildflower, daisy-like little flower, little button florets on them. I'm going to trim this down a little bit to be a little shorter. Use this in one of the lower, maybe this one here. Okay. Use that here. Okay. This beautiful blue thistle. Cut this one short. Use it down here. So I'm just putting these in however, however I think will look nice. There's no real recipe for this. Just whatever you think looks pretty with a variety of different textures. I think I'll do another veronica, maybe a little smaller one here. So we have some on this side here as well. Okay. Another rice flower. They're almost too big, aren't they? Okay. So with very few stems of flowers, you can make a really nice arrangement when you use multiples. Now, multiples is another secret to really make a larger, more substantial looking arrangement than you have when you don't have a lot of floral materials. So definitely be on the lookout for really cute small vases. Now, if you don't have a vase like this, you can definitely buy multiple small small vases I've seen on Amazon and put it on a little tray. That would give you the same effect. I have seen this vase being sold online. I purchased this vase at the San Francisco Flower Market. Now, I've purchased this many times as gifts. I did a gift for my friend Mark and Brad at Thanksgiving. They invited us to their house for Thanksgiving. And instead of just bringing a bunch of flowers, I arranged flowers in this vessel. And that was the host gift to them. And now they have this great vase that they could play around with, and you don't need a lot of flowers. I often like to gift my friends interesting containers like this, because if you're not a professional florist, a vessel like this is great because you don't need a lot of flowers, but you can get a cute arrangement. You can put together a really cute arrangement with just a few stems of flowers. And I like them for myself because sometimes there's not that much growing in the garden. I can just go out and pick, 5 or 6 roses and have some accent flowers or even novelty greenery, and I could create a cute little arrangement for the table. I'm just adding a few white veronica. I like the spiky flowers in here. Okay. Let me see what it looks like. Okay, looks pretty good to me. You could add a little more, like this little rose cluster looks a little lonely by itself, so I'm going to add a little bit of this blue thistle. And I think that is about it. I'm going to move these. See, we still have a lot of flowers left. We can make a lot more arrangements with these flowers. We only used a few stems of flowers in this arrangement, but we were able to get a cute little display going that would be really charming on your breakfast table or dining table or in your kitchen. And there you have it. We're all done. Super easy arrangement using very few stems of flowers. I love casual, easy arrangements like this, especially if you're not a professional florist. It's very easy to put together. We did not need to use any mechanics. We are just using the little vessels. So we have 7 little mini vases in a tray, and you can easily achieve this look. You can buy very small containers. I've seen them sold in sets on Amazon, and you can put it just on a little tray yourself. It doesn't have to be a connected arrangement like this. I love gifting these to my friends because then they'll have a beautiful vessel that they can arrange flowers in themselves. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and send me a comment, and I will see you in my next video.